Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to turn off LinkedIn email notification. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up LinkedIn application. Make sure you have already downloaded it on your device and sign in with your account. So once you have successfully signed in, tap on profile picture that is tweeted on top left corner. Now here on bottom you can see settings icon, tap on it. Now here tap on notifications and again tap on messaging. Here you can see your messaging notification is turned on. In order to turn off, simply tap on it. Now you have successfully turned off LinkedIn email notification. So this is how you can turn off LinkedIn email notification. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.